A balance transfer credit card is a type of credit card that allows you to transfer existing debt from one or more credit cards to a new credit card account, usually with a lower interest rate or a 0% introductory annual percentage rate. This can be a great way to save money on interest charges and pay off your debt faster. To get started, you need to understand how balance transfer credit cards work. Typically, you apply for a new credit card with a balance transfer offer. And if approved, you can transfer your existing debt to the new card. The new card will have a lower interest rate or a 0% introductory annual percentage rate for a specified period, usually between 6 and 21 months. The key benefits of a balance transfer credit card include saving money on interest charges, paying off debt faster, and simplifying your payments. For example, if you have a credit card with a 20% interest rate and a $2,000 balance, and you transfer that balance to a new credit card with a 0% introductory annual percentage rate for 12 months, you can save $400 in interest charges over the year. To make the most of a balance transfer credit card, it is essential to follow best practices. First, make sure you understand the terms and conditions of the new credit card, including the introductory annual percentage rate, the balance transfer fee, and the regular annual percentage rate. Second, create a plan to pay off your debt before the introductory period ends. Third, make all your payments on time to avoid late fees and interest charges. Finally, avoid making new purchases on the credit card, as this can add to your debt and make it harder to pay off. In conclusion, a balance transfer credit card can be a valuable tool for managing debt and saving money on interest charges. By understanding how it works, following best practices, and making a plan to pay off your debt, you can take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals. Always review the terms and conditions carefully and make informed decisions to get the most out of a balance transfer credit card.